Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today we're taking it down to basics. Last week we did a Reuben, New York style. I guess it was a New York style. Either way, it was really good. We're bringing it back down south today. We are doing a fried bologna sandwich. Nothing fancy, nothing spectacular, but sometimes simple can be the best things. So that's what we're going to do today. Just make a plain fried bologna and cheese sandwich right here on this Blackstone. I tell you, this is a true Southern classic and one of my favorites. Now, you can drag this thing through the garden. You can put all kind of other stuff on it, and that's great. There's nothing wrong with that. But sometimes just keeping it basic is the way to go. So that's what we're going to do today. But before we get started, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Man, we would love to have you with us. Ring that bell. Give us the video a thumbs up. Do all that good stuff. If you've been with us, thank you so much for your support. We're growing. We love you. I'm very humbled by how much we're growing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Check down below. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, an email, a P.O. box. There is a recipe playlist down there that includes all kinds of recipes that we have already done. If you don't see what you're looking for, let us know. With all that being said, let's get this thing heated up, show you what we're going to cook with, and let's get to doing it. Okay, y'all. Let's go all burners this time. We're just going to kind of cook across the whole thing. But we don't want it real hot, so let's turn it on right above low. Right above low. Right there. Okay, y'all, it don't get no more basic than this. To make your fried bologna sandwiches, we have some red ring steaks here, baby. Some po man steaks, some bologna. Now, if you want to go to the deli, get you some thick sliced bologna from the deli, whatever. I just bought this from the luncheon meat counter. There's some thick sliced bologna. We'll pull them red rings off here, throw it on there in a minute. We have some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese. Got some plain white bread. Got some butter we're going to toast the bread with. But now, you want to make a true classic bologna sandwich, you got to have the Duke's mayonnaise. That's some Southern stuff. That's some good stuff right there, baby. You can try other mayonnaises if you want. That's up to you, but you need the Duke's. And I'm going to season it with some Uncle Steve's shake. Instead of just having just a plain bologna, I'm going to put a little bit of this stuff on here. Now, if you're looking for some Uncle Steve's shake, look down below in the description. You'll find the link to his website. Tell him Crazy Pop sent you. Okay, y'all, while that griddle's heating up, what you need to do is come in here and just put a few little cut marks around in this bologna. Now, what this is going to do is keep this bologna from curling up on that griddle, just like that. Do all your slices like that, and it will turn out terrific. Ain't gonna be pretty, ain't gonna be perfect. You're just trying to keep it from curling up, that's all. Let's get them all cut up. Just like that. Let's check on the griddle. Griddle's ready. Getting a little white smoke coming off the top of it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna throw down some oil and throw down some bologna. Let's get some oil on here. Just kind of spread it out. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, y'all. Listen. Yeah, buddy. Sizzle, sizzle. That's simple. We got our pieces on here. Now I'm gonna put 2 pieces per sandwich. You put as many as you want. That's up to you. Tonight, we're just doing 2 per sandwich. So as you see, I'm gonna make me some 4 sandwiches. Crazy kids are gonna eat some. Probably gonna make more than this. And this is a real quick cook. Won't take long at all. All right, y'all. Before we get these a flip real quick, because it won't take long, let's throw some Uncle Steve's on here. Add a little flavor to everything. What? Yep, that's right. Ooh, the smell coming off this griddle now. It don't smell like no bologna sandwich I ever tasted. Take a quick look. Look at this, y'all. Bam! Look at that. Come here, you. Where you going? Uh-oh, uh-oh. We got one not wanting to cooperate. Watch this. Make it work. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, now see that's what I'm looking for. Is that burnt charred like that? Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm wanting right there. Okay, y'all, the bologna's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move everything over. What I'm gonna do is put this warming rack on the back of it back here. If y'all haven't had a chance to get this warming rack, and I've got other little warming racks, but y'all check that out. How cool is that? It's Macarena cool. CJ, if you're watching, let me know. Nate, you too. It's Macarena cool. So we're gonna throw our bologna up here to just stay warm. Let's throw our bread up here. Throw us down some butter. Now, I did not clean this griddle as far as where that bologna was cooking. And there's a reason. The reason being is that Uncle Steve's shake is still on here. And that bread is gonna just kind of toast in that Uncle Steve's shake. Oh yeah. Let's get our bread up on this hizzy. Ain't nothing like a good fried bologna sandwich, y'all. Okay, these have only been on here for maybe a minute. Let's give them a check. That was pretty good. Oh yeah, that's it. Now I'm not looking for a real dark toast. You can toast your bread however you want to toast your bread. That's your bread. You go on toast it like you want it. Okay, y'all. Toast is done to my liking. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Huh? What? We'll take this, take it up, put on warming rack over here. It's time to build. But now, notice I'm not gonna cut the griddle off because I'm gonna put the cheese on here and I want a way to melt this cheese down. So watch this. I'm gonna turn everything down to complete low. Get 4 pieces down here like that. Put some mayo on here. Now I'm gonna go heavy with the mayo, y'all. Okay. Piece of bologna. Uh-oh, left my cheese back here. Piece of cheese. Piece of bologna. Let's get that bologna on there a little better. Make it all pretty. 'Cause pretty food tastes better. Pretty food just tastes better. Now let me know down below if you've ever had a good fried bologna sandwich. Look at that. We're gonna put a piece of bologna back on top of each one of these now. Look at that. What? Another piece of cheese. We're gonna kind of turn our cheese a little bit where it all melts and the angles get all right. Make it all pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Guess what, y'all? More mayo. More of the mayo. There. Uh-oh. A little more mayo on this one. Okay. A little more mayo on that one. All right. There we go. We'll move my warming rack right here. What I'm going to do now is just kind of come around here. We're going to steam it up, let that cheese melt, and we're going to take these up and we're going to eat them. Okay, y'all, they've been covered up, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. Let's look. Oh, yeah. That's what we're looking for right there. Y'all look at that. Oh, it's like angels singing. So I tell you what, kill our heat. Get a cutting board out right here back here. Slide you back a little bit. You're in my way. Let's get these up. Y'all, Look at that. Don't get no better than that. Sometimes, like I said, simple is best. And voila, it's that easy. Now, I'll tell you what, before I call the crazy kids and get all them into eating all this stuff, I'm gonna try it first. So I tell you what, let's grab this one right here, this one right here. Now look, let's try it out. Yeah, buddy. Perfect, perfect. So simple, but yet so good. That Uncle Steve shake really just takes it up another level. It really does. I'm telling you right now, if you've never tried any of the Uncle Steve shakes, check them out. Link will be down below to their website. And like I said, in the comments, just tell them Crazy Pop sent you over. Not saying you get anything extra out of it, just let them know we sent you. But this, I gotta have another bite. I don't know if you can hear the crunch of that toast. I'm gonna tell you, this is good. And I don't know if you can get better than it's simple sometimes. Just plain, bologna, some cheese, some toast, a little bit of mayo, Uncle Steve's. This is it right here. I'll tell you what. Let me know how you make your bologna sandwich, your fried bologna sandwiches. I would love to know. Who knows? Might be a video one day. So let me know down below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you've been here, thank you, thank you, thank you. Love the support. Love y'all. Thank you. So I'm going to finish all these before the crazy kids get out here. And we'll see you next time.